Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix LiftMaster error code 46 safety reversal sensor troubleshooting guide. Fix 1 is check for obstruction. Look between the two safety sensors near the bottom of the garage door tracks. Then remove any box, tools, leaves, spider webs or other object blocking the beam. Then try closing the door again. Second fix is clean the safety sensor. Use a soft dry cloth to clean both sensor lenses. Then remove dust, dirt, cobwebs or moisture. Then test the garage door. Third fix is realign the sensor. Check the sensor LED light. Loosen the sensor bracket if the green light is blinking. Then adjust the sensor until the LED stays solid. Then tighten the bracket and test the door. Fourth one is inspect sensor wiring. Check the wire running from the sensor to the opener. Look for loose connection, cuts or damaged wire. Secure or replace damaged wiring if needed. Fifth one is reset the power. Unplug the main motor from the ceiling outlet, then wait for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and test the door. Thanks for watching.